To create a sloped roof in Revit, modify the footprint sketch of the roof by selecting and specifying the slope-defining edges of the roof. When editing the roof sketch, select the edge or edges you would like to slope and select Define Slope on the options bar. In the drawing area, angle icons identify which lines of the sketch define slope. To change the slope, select a slope-defining edge and modify the slope value in the Properties palette or directly in the drawing area. Finish the sketch to create the roof. In this case, a gable roof was created because the two parallel edges of the roof were defined as slope-defining. To make changes to the slope, use the Shape handle to stretch the roof or modify the value in the Properties palette. You can also edit the footprint of the roof again to change the slopes or add more slope-defining edges. The third edge of the roof is set to define a slope to create a hip-style roof. One other tool which can be used to define a slope is a slope arrow. In the sketch of the roof footprint, make sure no edges of the roof define slope, and then use the slope arrow tool to draw the slope of the roof. The properties of the slope arrow define the height offsets for the head and tail of the arrow. These offsets establish the slope defined to the roof. The slope arrow used in this sketch creates a shed-style roof. Using the slope-defining tools in a roof footprint sketch establishes the design of your roof. Multiple roof objects may be required to create your design solution.